Are you confused by phylogenetics? Well, you're not alone. Phylogenetics is a complicated topic and there's a lot of different pieces going on. So let's work through an online example to help us understand how to do it. Part of the magic of the internet is there's just so many different things online that we can do. And we're going to use one of them. Nova put together this fantastic evolution lab, which we're going to use for this class. So of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is press play game. It will prompt in to log in or create an account to save your progress. I highly recommend you do that because let's look at how it looks when you just log in. So here I'm just using a guest pass, but you'll notice that all of these different missions here are locked and they are only unlocked when you do the previous one. So the benefits of creating an account is you can do part of it, it will save your progress, and then you can come back later. Otherwise, you kind of have to do it all in one go. But let's look at what's going on here if I press play. So you'll see there's a couple different exercises within each one, but let's just do this first one here. This is a training exercise. So here you take your gecko, drag it into our center here. Now you have your palm tree, drag that as well. Because we only have two organisms here, we know how they're related because there is only one possible relationship. The next step, now we're going to add traits to our tree. So you notice there's a couple different places you can put them. Both of these organisms have cells with nuclei, so we're going to put them here at the bottom because both of them have that. This is a homologous trait, and it tells you did a good job, all of that. One of the cool things about this tool is it will only let you progress to the next step if you did it correctly, so you'll always know whether or not you're correct. Now it's teaching you about the next feature here of our magnifying glass. You can click this, and now I can read about our gold dust day gecko. So this guy has cells with nuclei, it's heterotrophic. Then I can read about the fly agaric and the palm tree. So here you're going to read about these traits and maybe even read this little blurb here to figure out where you should put the fly agaric, but also where you should put these two other traits on our tree. So we can go back and look at this again, just so we can view all of the different things here. Remember, there are 6 different missions, and your goal is to complete all of them. You want to make sure you complete the very last one here in mission 6 and take a screenshot to prove that you completed that exercise. And of course, then contribute to our class discussion about what you learned.